Verion. To have spectacle-free vision after cataract surgery, good eye measurements and the calculation done by formulas from accurate measurements gives the power on number of the lens to be implanted inside the eye after removal of cataract. Using image guided system, Verion, which is designed to add accuracy and efficiency during surgical planning and execution. It captures high definition image of patient's eye. Later, this image is used as blueprint by surgeon while operating. Verion is equipped with modern formulas to determine correct lens power. This unit is smartly designed to calculate and say where to place incision to correct residual cylindrical power, astigmatism. Data and precise plan is sent to Verion digital marker in the operating room.